Without a shadow of a doubt, one of my all-time top 5 favourite Northern Soul tune, that being the Originals and Suspicion, dating back to the 60s. However, it didn't actually get released by the Originals, and in 2013 they got a re-release. So without further ado, let's give it a nudge. So kicking off with the punchy but iconic intro riff, based over a 2-bar progression and repeated twice for 4 bars. Starting on the first string, the 11th fret, we're going to play once. Moving down to the 9th fret on the same string, we're going to hammer on and pull off. Hammer on from the 9th to the 11th, and back to the 9th. So far we've got... And then we jump up to the 2nd string, 11th fret, for our final note on the first bar. First bar in total. The second bar is a repeat of the first bar, just playing that first note twice instead of once on the 11th fret. Played twice over for 4 bars. This is the chord for the chorus, as most 60s or Motown or soul tracks do start off with the chorus, and this is no exception. So we're starting with the D sharp minor as a bar chord. We're going to play this today, and that's our bar finger, first finger on the 6th fret, and we've got the shape of A minor. Moving from D sharp minor for 1 bar, the next bar is C sharp major or C sharp, moving your bar finger down to the 4th fret, and this time we're in A major shape on the 6th fret. Then we move to the G sharp minor, stay on the 4th fret with your first finger, and then we're just moving to the E minor shape to form the G sharp minor shape. And then we return back for the 4th bar to D sharp minor on the 6th fret in the shape of A minor. For a simple but effective strum pattern, we could just do down strums all the way, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what I tend to do is I'll play the numbers 1, 2 and 3 and 4 a little bit stronger, and I'll play the ands in between for a little bit of dynamics. For the second line of the chorus, same chords again. All that happens at the end, we've got half a bar of D sharp minor on the 8th bar this will be, and then the second half will be C sharp. In total, the intro or chorus chords for 8 bars sounds like this. Moving into the verse chords, we have 2 chords in total, again for a total of 8 bars. The first one being F sharp major, which is the bar finger on the 2nd fret, and we are using the E major shape on frets 3 and 4. To the next bar, A sharp minor, we're going to move up 1, 2, 3, 4 frets, so now we're on fret number 6 again, and we're using the E minor shape on fret number 8. Again, you can use the same strum pattern, simple 8th notes all the way down, working on those dynamics in between. For 8 bars, the verse sounds like this. Now the pre-chorus, which really is a great little build towards the chorus, very powerful part of the song. We start with a B major, again on the 2nd fret. This time we're in the shape of A major on the 4th fret. We use exactly the same shape and we move up 2 frets each, so the bar finger is now on the 4th and the A major shape is on the 6th fret. This forms the C sharp chord. We then repeat. One bar of G sharp minor, which is on the 4th fret, which is where we've landed already. And we move to the E minor shape on the 6th fret. And that's played for 2 bars. And then we move to a new chord, A sharp 7. Simply from the G sharp minor, move along 2 frets to the 6th fret. And you can add your 5th finger on the 5th string on the 8th fret. And your 2nd finger is placed on the 3rd string, 7th fret. Very strong chord within the whole song itself. For 8 bars, the pre-chorus sounds like this. We then move into the chorus chords, exactly the same as the intro chords as I played previous. So I won't bore you with the details and explain those once again. I will just demonstrate. This is for a total of 8 bars. As with all things in life, simple is pretty much always the best way, as the song demonstrates. Now you can put your new skills to the test and you can play along to the song. What's your favourite Northern Soul tune of all time? If you'd like me to deconstruct with a guitar video, let me know in the comments below. Also, you can grab the free downloadable PDF music sheet, chord sheet for this song today. Simply go to the description below and practice to your heart's content. Keep the faith.